Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money on crypto.com. I'm going to show you multiple ways, and also I will compare you to the competition, how you can earn money on other crypto brokers. So let's start. So there are actually few ways. The first way is when you would come here to buy and sell crypto. Understandable, you just buy I don't know, Ethereum on $200 and then you sell it on $2,400, and then you have crypto earn here. So what you can do is to easily earn up to 8.5%, and you see that per annum Bitcoin up to 8.5, Zero USDC 14%. When you would scroll down below description, not description but here on the side, you see that, let's say, deposit token that I'm going to have Ethereum, and deposit amount is, let's say, 10,000, or deposit term, you can make it 3 months, 1 month, or flexible. The more you're gonna lock it, the higher it's going to be. And then zero stake. So if you're gonna use the more zero stake, the earn is going to be much higher, and you see that the rewards are going to be paid weekly here. So this is pretty good. So this is the first way how we can make money. Like the second way how we can make money, the first way is actually trading. You can really just choose deposit token, and you see that some of the tokens get higher interest comparing to the other ones. You see Tether is really high, Crypto, Coin, I don't know, Chainlink, you see not that high, Binance Coin, you see? So this is pretty much it, how you can do it. And my recommendation is just like go with the Feather, USD Coin, or Tether, or Ethereum. Now, what you can do, and what is my recommendation, is to use Crypto.com Earn, use the zero stake with it. But what is my recommendation is use also Nexo, and use also Celsius, and even BlockFi. Like the main competition, it really depends how much money you want to invest to, but you can earn on these sites too, and you can earn it, let me show you. Earn in Nexo, so in their coin too, and you're gonna earn more money. And personally, having 8% on Bitcoin is really great. Celsius too, earn. You see, then read more. You see right here, Celsius, BlockFi, Coinbase. I mean, on Coinbase you can really earn money. BlockFi is fine. If you're gonna like earn in Celsius coin, you're gonna earn more money again. So earn. I'm gonna click here. Now you see earn 6.20. Celsius is really great too for it. And then we have a BlockFi, same thing, interest account. But I don't think they have a coin themselves. BlockFi is really great up to 1 Bitcoin, so up to like 50 Ethereum. It really depends how much Ethereum you have. But definitely, guys, if you want to use crypto.com for at least crypto earn, I definitely recommend choosing also competition and diversifying your risk. The third way how you can make actually money is to go with DeFi earn, and then also affiliate to actually, let me show you, affiliate crypto.com. So I think, oh, they don't have right now. They only rewards program. So friends complete sign up, passes verification, sign up bonus. You get also $25. So this is the only way how you can get referral. So if they're gonna get the verification, you're gonna get in a CRO. This is something that I don't really like personally, from my perspective, because I'm affiliated with Binance, with Coinbase, Gemini, etc. And how they have it is that you're gonna get paid in the coin they are trading. For example, in Binance, in Bitvavo, it's with euro, and then with how it's called, not Bitstamp, Coinbase, Gemini, they paid in Bitcoin. But I don't really like that they just offer it in a USD CRO, but it is what it is. So, but this is pretty much it, how we can do it and how we can earn money. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. To summarize this whole video, you can do it when you would come here to the crypto earn. So that's the first way. Then you can have also option, you can earn interest from DeFi protocols. Then you can also trade on crypto.com, which is pretty like understandable. But my recommendation is definitely use also different like Nexo, like Celsius, like BlockFi, or even Binance Earn. Diversify your risk. If you're gonna have a lot of money, don't put, I don't know, 20, 30K, I don't know how much money you have into crypto.com. It's really risky and it's not that effective. So that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If this video was enjoyable and it gave you some kind of value, you can support me, subscribe. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And also my recommendation, another one, is that when you're gonna use crypto.com, use the money that you're gonna earn. Also, you can reinvest it to the ETF stocks. So what most people are doing, they're doing wrongly, that they are investing into like one stocks or just one crypto. What you should do is to have diversified portfolio. So what do you want to have? Let's say I have 10K a month that I want to invest. Okay, I can go 70%, like 7K would go to the stocks, 3K would go to the crypto world, and those 7K I would go most of the time to the index funds, ETFs for the long term, and 3K would go to the crypto as a risk, or even like a 1K and 9K. That's how I would personally do it. But another thing, what is my recommendation, is focus how you can actually earn money from your job. I don't know how old are you, or just creating a side business, creating content on YouTube, writing blogs. That's the best way how you can make money. Just increase your value on the market by selling, by providing value. So that's the best way what you can do and how you can achieve things. Get better at your job, get side hustle, get bad at it, get good at it, not bad at it, earn money. And like, let's say that right now I'm make good living, and I don't know how the future, what the future is going to bring, we will see. But right now it's good, and I invest those money, and that's good, right? So that's what you want to do. Don't go all in that to few altcoins if it's going to, that you're going to spend your whole emergency fund on. It's not effective at all. You like, if you're gonna play the game by high risk, high reward, you can get burned. What you can do is to go continuously work on something, get richer step by step without luck. Naval is speaking about it, but this is the best way, I think, how we can achieve things in life. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.